deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Containers are a method to package and isolate applications, making them easily portable across different environments. Unlike traditional virtual machines, VMs, that include an entire operating system, containers only encapsulate the application layer, making them more lightweight and efficient. Why Kubernetes? 1. Automation. With Kubernetes, you don't have to manually deploy or manage containers. You simply define your application's architecture, and Kubernetes ensures that it's deployed and maintained as described. 2. Scalability. Kubernetes can automatically scale your application based on demand. 3. Self-healing. If a container fails, Kubernetes can restart it or replace it as necessary. 4. Portability. Applications in containers can run anywhere, be it on-premises, in a public cloud, or a hybrid environment. Brief history of Kubernetes. Kubernetes originated from Google's internal system called Borg. Borg was used to manage the deployment of thousands of applications within Google. In 2014, Google decided to open source a system based on their experiences with Borg, and thus Kubernetes was born. Kubernetes architecture. Kubernetes follows a client-server architecture, comprising two main components. 1. Control plane. This is the brain of Kubernetes. It makes global decisions about the cluster, such as which node a pod should run on. The key components of the control plane include Kubernetes API server, the entry point for commands. ETCT, a consistent and highly available key-value store for all cluster data. Kubernetes scheduler, assigns work, in the form of pods, to worker nodes. Kubernetes controller manager, regulates controllers that handle routine tasks. 2. Worker nodes. These are the machines, VMs, or physical computers where the applications are run. The main component here is the pod, which is the smallest deployable unit in Kubernetes. A pod can host one or more containers and provides shared storage and networking for those containers. Fun fact: the abbreviation Kubernetes for Kubernetes is